Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am planning in my mini dashboard planner for the week of Monday the 12th through the 18th. And I just finished doing my classic, and I spent entirely too long selecting all the stickers. So whenever I am in need of doing something pretty functional, but also not wanting to go through 100 sticker books, oh my gosh, my dog is not happy. Sorry. What I do is I tend to go for one of Heather's books or a sticker kit, something that makes it easy and everything matches and you're good to go. So I love hers because I've got boxes also. This is the Realistic Florals, which released last week, and there's also washi. I know she has a limited number of these left, so hopefully watching this, it will still be available, and I'll put a link below for you. There are so many good colors. Like, I was really torn, like, do I do that? But I really liked the ones on the cover, this really bright, and I thought it'd be fun to do something with that. So I'm really torn though, because I don't know. Look, now I'm like, do I want to do that one or, you know what? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Or do I do this one? No, I want to do this one. Let's go for it. Okay, so first things first, I usually like to, I'm going to get some white out. We know I love to cover up the errands and calls section, as well as bills to pay and the to buy, because I make it a to do. So I'm going to cover those. Whoa. I almost wish that they would just have nothing there. And I know that, here's the thing, some people love it, but someone that plans the way I do, no, it doesn't work for me. Okay, alrighty, so now I've got that. Well, you know, I'm gonna get rid of this focus also, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna leave the grid up because who cares, right? All right, so I really like this one with the green. I like this one. Let me see how big this is. Let me see if I pull this off, how much space it takes on my page. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's take a look. If I put this one, it's gonna go right over July. Do I care? I don't really care that much. Okay, I probably should have done that. I'm gonna have to put something there because it says June. Okay, so I've got that. And then I think I'm going to use another one. Now the bigger one probably would have worked. Maybe I'll just have them overlap like this. Let's try it. Whoa, whoa, no. I realize I'm going too far over. I wanted it just to go like all down the side, but you know what? We're gonna make it go even more floral. Let's try it. I'm gonna put it right. I just don't wanna have to repunch, so I'm gonna make sure that I don't get that part. Yeah, right there. Oh my gosh, Marielle, could you put this on any worse? Probably not, probably not. Okay, there. Now, oh my gosh, now it will go down, right? There, third time's a charm. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this one off because it's super cute and I feel like it when it overlaps the other flower, we kind of lose a little there. So I might move it to a new spot. Let's see. Oh, I kept thinking it was done. No, there we go. Yeah, what if I have it coming out over here or something? There. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so now it really covers that. If I can find something tiny, I might stick it right there, but I mean, really, it doesn't need it. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so I've got that. And then I'm just gonna need, let's see what we've got that coordinates with this. Okay, we've got all of those. We've got some red that would go with it. I want to say there's some other bright colors as well. Let's take a look. I'm probably going the wrong way. I like that red box. Ooh, the black ones are so pretty. Ooh, here we go. I like these. Okay. So let's see, what do we want to put up here? I might even just use a really pretty floral cluster. Let me cover up the, oh my goodness. I mean, this tape is just not the best. There we go. And let's see. I might just put this and then maybe a cute word or something. Like a quote or something. That's cute. All right, let me see which washi goes good here. Now I can use the really bright one. This stripe would be pretty with the green. I've also got this one. That would go good. Too many choices. Oh, and the black with the actual florals. That might be really pretty. There's just too many choices. There's some really good florals in this book, and so you can kind of use it throughout the year. Like, I feel like it would go really well for all the different seasons. Okay, let's see. I want to put a small box. So we've got lots of box options. I mean, I could even do the black if I wanted, or these floral ones. Too many choices. Okay, let's go with, I want to mark some special days. So I think I'm gonna use this black one. If I put that there. I don't know yet. Hold on. I'm gonna do the dots first. So I'm gonna use one for my husband's birthday. I did my last spread kind of blue, black, a little more neutral, so I did flowers. It's my planner, right? So I did flowers on this one. This is Elise's birthday. And then Thursday, we are flying out to California, the kids and I. So we are crazy excited. We're going to see the Casa de Natasha. Cannot wait. We're gonna have so much fun. And they've never been, so this will be great. We have lots of stuff going on, so I might just leave, let's see. Friday is gonna be a special day. And let me see what other colored dots we've got. Orange, I haven't used orange. Hello, there was one on that other page actually. I'll put that for, I think I'm gonna put it for Sunday because I don't want it too close to the other one. Well, I'll do it on my Monday instead for that meeting. And then I'll put this pink and black because those are colors that, well, no, I did pink, darn. Okay, I thought I hadn't used that one. I'll do the black. There. Those are things that I actually know we have going on that day. Sunday is still a wild card. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. And I think I'm gonna save that. I might use a bigger one over here. Well, or I could try. Let me see how this looks. I'm not sure if I want the floral. I think I want to keep it a solid box, like a solid color box. So let's see if I've got a good size one. Where's a good size rectangle? There's some. Well, I feel like I'm just flipping through. I don't even know if this is on camera for you, but I feel like I want to go with this hot pink. Oh, I realized I took out too many days later. Okay, I'm going to put this right here with my like #1 thing that I need to do. Okay, there's that. And then I need to do, and this one doesn't have to do, so I need to grab another one of the books that has that. And I also grabbed this grid washi because I think it really would go well with the florals, like kind of to anchor it a little bit. And then I can add some of this stripes. I think it'd be good. Let me try it. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that dog. I hope you guys can't hear that. And if you can, I am so sorry. Let's see. Let's try this. How does that look? Oh, that looks cute. Okay. So I've got that down there. And then I think I'm gonna put some here on my flight and cut another piece off to kind of do that layering again. We'll do that over here. Oh my goodness. Why must she do this? I know why she's doing it. She hears me up here and she wants to come up and nobody's playing with her downstairs. Okay. So I've got that, and I might add just another little floral in the corner, and I think it's just about done. That's the good thing about using, like I said, a kit like this, is it makes it fast and easy. Let me grab, I think I want to put a green box over here. I'm sure I can find one in here. To be, oh, that's a pretty one. Darn. It's like you keep, every time I go back through, I'm like, oh, what about that? What about this? What about that? I'm going to use this as my, like, header for the to-dos. Okay. So I've got that. And I need to white out the July. So let me lift this up. Whoops, right there. There we go. I don't do very good with this. Can you tell, like, what am I doing? Oh, it's because I've got it, like, off. I feel like I do better with the pen than I do with the, sometimes, I think once you get it askew like I have done, it's, like, really hard to come back from, from it. Oh, well, it's okay. It'll work. Nobody's gonna know, right? Alrighty. And I wonder if I add just a little tear of this in the corner of that top box to kind of ground it also. I don't know why. I just thought it might be fun. Let's try it out. Just a teeny tiny piece. Like that. Oh, I like it. And I'll add a tiny, tiny piece of the stripes again. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Let's just try it. I'll just do the 3 colors. Okay. There. I don't know. I almost feel like it looked better without it. But then, I don't know. Maybe what if I stagger it? Maybe. Okay. And the last floral in the corner over here, and I think will be good. I think I just want to put a little bit of something right here. And I will cut the little edges off. Like that. Take off the excess, and then this one right here. Even like sneakily add this little, remember I was saying if I had a little tiny bit of something right there. Wonder if it should go this way. No, this way. It doesn't add much, but why not, right? Well, just as much as I can get in there, right? Okay. I think I just need to add a to-do sticker and I'll be done. So that was I say it was quick and easy. I'm slow. but most people would probably be a lot faster, right? So be sure to check these out. I know that there's limited availability, so if you do want to grab that Realistic Floral book, I've got a link there so you can check it out. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please link them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get future notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much and have yourself a wonderful week ahead.